This young man is coming for his fitting. Troy's removed the system, a bit of cotton wool on there. And then we're changing to a perimeter and a lace, and you're going to be amazed at this one. The skin colour for the lace is exceptional, so it's going to look absolutely amazing. I'll take the full amount if you want. Anyway, Troy's just cutting the hair using clippers, and there's quite a bit of weight being left on this style, isn't there, Troy?
Yeah, you've got to leave it a bit more blend in.
Bear with me. Got your mask on, so nobody will recognise you, don't worry. I think everyone knows it's you now, Troy, with your hands.
That's it, can't hide, can they? Right, so Phil's left me to do all the work again. Yeah. So what we're doing is putting on some Ghost Bond for you. We've already done one layer. We always do 2 layers, okay, just to make it nice and clean and makes it sure you get a good bond. Okay. I tend to do it like this, just spread it around a little bit. Okay. Then I get my brush and just spread it as much as you can to make sure you get a nice even coat. Not too thick, because obviously the thicker it is, the longer it's going to take to dry, and it won't go any stickier. It'll just go really gloopy and horrible underneath the system.
Good job. Look like a young boy.
Mm-hmm. Young man again.
He's not speaking. Yeah. Oh, you just had to come in and just show the lace colour on. We're not using names today. The lace colour on my good client. It looks absolutely fantastic.
No, you do.
That's incredible. I knew that looked fantastic. The lace colour is fab.
What was on about the haircut then? Jesus.
Yeah, the haircut's good. Yeah, but that goes without saying. Yeah. That Consi in there just brought up your haircuts, mate.
Oh, did he?
Troy's the one for the skin phase, I see.
That's it.
There we go. So yeah, one of your videos, 450,000 views, mate.
Right, isn't it?
So you've got to beat that.
Yes.
That looks fantastic. That's what we're known for.
So we go, this is the finished product.
Okay.